Good morning everybody, Darran Butler here from the Grun Tea Emporium. Today I'm going to brew a fresh pot of turmeric nettle tea chai. At the Emporium, what we like to do when we open a bag of fresh tea is to put it directly into an airtight container to keep it fresher for longer. So what we've got here is some fresh ginger that's been washed. We're going to grate a tablespoon of fresh ginger. So what we've got here also is some pre-grated ginger to make it easier for today. So let's go ahead and fill that tablespoon up. This is to taste, by the way, so if you like it stronger, by all means put more in. So here we've got a bit of a fancy pot that we like to use at the Emporium. What we recommend, however, is to go and buy yourself just a standard pot from the shops. It's a user-friendly 1.7 litre pot that will fit a full jug comfortably in there, and it will sit on the stove top. So next we're going to put the powder into the pot. So with the turmeric nettle tea chai, it's 6 level teaspoons of powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so next we've got the pre-boiled kettle, 1.7 litres of hot water. We're going to pour that carefully into the pot, ensuring that we don't burn ourselves while we're doing it. All the way in there, okey-dokey. And then we're going to place the pot on the stove top. Bring it to the boil for 2 minutes before letting it sit. Being careful that it will bubble up once it's boiling, so please don't leave it unattended for any amount of time. I'll see you in 2 minutes. So welcome back. It's been 2 minutes, and I forgot to mention before, leave the lid off the pot while it's boiling because it will bubble over and it will make a mess, so please pay attention to the pot. Okay? So it's been cooling down for a little while now, it's not boiling any longer. So we're going to make a little cup now, a cup of delicious tea. I've got my cup here. I'm going to add a little bit of Rapadura sweetener for my own tastes. Nums. Next I'm going to grab the sieve. Be very careful here because it is very hot and it does stain if it spills on bench tops. Okay, so carefully pouring that in to the desired level. Next for the cocoa quench, give it a little whirl. Give it a stir, and there we have it, a delicious cup of chai. Say hello to your new hot friend. That is so good.